Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and some massive moves after hours for BFT, the SPAC that we were talking about last week, soon to be merging with Paysafe. Now I've done a stock analysis video on Paysafe just a few days ago and said I was going to invest, and I did buy some shares. I put a couple of screenshots of some of the shares that I bought last week, and outside of hours or after hours on Friday, the share price just started soaring. It's up over 10% outside of hours on Friday. It was already up around 4 or 5% throughout the day on Friday, and then just before the market closed it started to creep up that bit more, and then some sort of news, some media attention came out, and it caused the share price after hours to just soar even more. So like I said, there was some media attention late on Friday, and this came from CNBC, one of their on-air analysts, Steve Grasso. I've never heard of him before, but on their Fast Money show on CNBC, he made like a two-sentence summary of one of the stocks that he was looking at. And his brief 10-second comment was along the lines of, he liked stocks that could double. Well, he said that this one could potentially triple, and that is BFT. So he gave him a mini shout out on the Fast Money show on CNBC, and that looks as though it sparked a lot of interest in this stock, and that's why it shot up so much outside of hours. Like I said, over 10% outside of hours. Now, when we did our stock analysis video on Paysafe and the merger with BFT, the price was around $13 a share. It was actually in the 12s. And I said if it could stay under $13, then I'd buy some. And I think $13 is a really great price for this company, because Paysafe looks like a great company moving forward. And it opened up and it went above 13, then dropped. So I bought a lot of shares, or I say a lot for me. I bought shares initially at $13.35. I then bought some more around $13.10, and then on Friday, just before it surged, I managed to grab a few more shares at $12.70, I think it was, around that sort of price. So I'm average overall around $13. It might even have dropped under slightly, but I've got them in 3 separate accounts. So I've got quite a nice position for me anyway in BFT, soon to be merging with Paysafe. And this news coming out on Friday and this greater media attention, I'm very happy with. I wanted to build my position a little bit more, and I might still do on Monday when it opens up. It looks like it's going to open up now around above $15 per share. Probably at the moment I think it's sitting around $15.50 if you add on what happened after hours on Friday. So it looks like it probably will open up above $15 per share. I still don't think this is a bad price. In my stock analysis I said if you can get it under 13, that is great, and that is great. If you can get it under 15, that is great as well. It depends what sort of mindset you've got, but if you this can be a great swing trade now that some of this media attention is coming on. It could be a great swing trade. For me, it's a long-term play, and if there is a massive amount of profit in a short space of time, then I might take some of that profit out. But my mindset at the moment is still long-term, and $15 per share or $16 per share, wherever it opens up on Monday, I still think long-term is a really good price to get in at. So yeah, that was just a quick update to say if you do have shares in BFT and you watched our stock analysis video the other day, I know a few of you were thinking about investing or already had investing, then it's good news for us. We've heard it on Friday, the share price has shot up and it looks like it might follow a similar trend on Monday, especially pre-market. So that'd be really interesting to have a look. If you're still thinking about getting invested in them and you haven't invested yet and you think, have I missed the boat? Depends what your mindset is. I'm probably going to be buying a little bit more early next week as well, even at around $15-16 per share, because I see it long term as a good play. A bit of media attention, a shout out on Fast Money show on CNBC, and it has caused that that initial hype that we always talk about. That hype has come, but Paysafe fundamentally looks like a really solid growth stock. So I'm happy to be invested in it. It's a nice bit of news because I am heavily invested in APXT, and that has been fairly stable at the moment. I expect that to change when an exact date on the merger comes out. So it was nice to see BFT actually shoot up in price, one of the SPAC plays that I've got in my portfolio. So there you go, that is why the share price shot up, if you were wondering. Just a little shout out on the media side of things. I've just hit 2,000 subs, so I really appreciate it. We got there before Christmas, and like I promised, when I hit 2k subs, a portfolio update will be coming out. So that's probably one of the next videos that I do. I'll be doing a full portfolio update on all my investments, so you can see exactly what I've invested in, how much I've got in there, my average share price, and whether I am up or down. So that will be coming out soon. Once again, thank you very much for watching. If you are new around here and want to join the investing community that we've got going on, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. But again, thank you very much for watching, and stay safe.